Hey y'all, like the title says, today we're going to be benchmarking that $570 Intel build I put together. It makes for a great 1080p gaming system. Stay tuned and we'll go down through the parts real quick and we'll get into some of the benchmarks. I'll be right back. Alright all, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of the ports that I got in this system and show you what kind of components I'm dealing with here. Here we go. We got the i5 6400. We got the MSI B150M Bazooka motherboard. We got the Cooler Master Q300L case. We have the EVGA 450 watt BT 80 plus bronze power supply. We got Kingston 240 gigabyte SSD. We have a 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue drive. We have Patriot Viper Elite 8 gigs, 2 4 gig sticks. We have EVGA GeForce GTX 1066 gigabit cord. We have 5 upHere Wireless RGB case fans. We are running the Intel heatsink, and we have Windows 10 Pro on this. Complete cost of the system was $568. To buy it new, subtract the Windows 10 Pro license, about an $800 system. Alright all, that's the breakdown of the ports. Like I said, it's about $570 Intel build. It's a great little system for 1080p gaming. Now I'm going to show you the video play and the benchmarks that I got, the frame rates I got in the games that I tested and the benchmarks that I ran on it. And I'll be back with my conclusion at the end. Alright all, that's the kind of performance I got out of that system. That 6400 is a quad core processor. You know, you got the 1066 gigabit, 6 gig cord. You got 8 gigs of system memory to use up, which I wasn't even getting close on any of my benchmarks that I ran anyways, even getting close to 8 gigs of memory. So there wasn't no, it wasn't holding you back any. That makes it for a great little system. If you want to just get into PC gaming, you're trying to get into PC gaming or something, $600 is a reasonable price for a system just to get started with. But if you liked what you saw here today, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't like it. There's that comment section down there. Let me know what you think. And if you really liked what you saw here today, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Until next time, you all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.